In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Figma prototypes to your Behance presentation. This is a fantastic way to showcase your design skills and interactive projects in a professional and visually appealing manner. We'll be covering everything you need to know to seamlessly integrate your prototypes into your Behance portfolio, so let's dive right in. First off, make sure you have your Figma project open and ready. This is crucial because we'll be working directly with your existing prototypes. If you haven't created a prototype yet, take a moment to set it up. Remember, the goal is to make your project interactive and engaging, so keep user experience in mind as you design. Once you're satisfied with your prototype, we need to publish it. In Figma, navigate to the top right corner of the interface and look for the Present button. This is typically represented by a play icon. Clicking this will open your prototype in presentation mode. It's a great way to preview how your prototype will appear to others, so take a moment to explore and ensure everything functions as intended. Next, we'll create a shareable link for your prototype. Click on the Share button at the top right of the presentation view. A dialog box will appear with options for sharing. Here, you want to select anyone with the link can view. This setting ensures that people viewing your Behance presentation can actually interact with and explore your prototype. Once you've set the permissions, copy the generated link to your clipboard. We'll need this in a moment. Now, let's head over to Behance. Log into your account if you haven't already, and either start a new project or open an existing one that you'd like to update. Once inside the project editor, you'll see various options to add content. Look for the option to add an Embed item, typically found within the Insert Media or similar menu. Here, you'll paste the Figma link we just copied. Behance will automatically recognize it as interactive content and will prompt you with a preview to confirm. It's always a good idea to double-check that the embedded prototype appears correctly and functions as expected. Now you can finalize your Behance project by adding descriptions, tags, and other presentation elements to enhance visibility. Before wrapping up, take a few moments to review your entire presentation. Look for any adjustments that might enhance the overall flow and accessibility. Remember, a captivating presentation can significantly impact how your work is perceived. And there you have it. Your Figma prototype is now embedded into your Behance presentation, ready for the world to explore. Thank you for joining me today. Hopefully, you found this guide helpful for showcasing your interactive projects. Until next time, keep designing and experimenting with new ways to share your creativity.